Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Facebook page not found problem. Okay, let's start. At first go to your settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search bar. Search Facebook. Click on Facebook. Scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Click on clear data. Delete app data. Back. Click on permissions. All permission is allowed. Back. Then click on Play Store. Click on search bar. Check update Facebook. My Facebook is already updated. Let's open it. I hope you have successfully solved your problem. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.